like 1 o'clock?
Texas.
I just had my breakfast.
Ooh, was that it? Was that your breakfast?
Nice, Molly.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
No,
No,
I
no,
did, but I like this so much, I'll come back for seconds.
I told you,
Samuel.
guys.
Got it.
Oh, money.
Stop saying, lady.
I start to
got
pull the
jump
pin
right
out,
there to
guys.
the left.
Sorry.
Hey, look, watch left, watch left.
Oh, yeah.
Should've popped
I don't
that
Right
know.
around that corner, brother.
Yeah,
There's a
that's
straight
why I
kick
go
in on the
there.
right.
I'm see him, so tell him. Got him.
Here,
My
Bob.
brother.
Oh,
My brother. Yeah.
Oh, look at that one getting shot.
Molly
I
right there.
forget. I see him. Oh, he got
I got one.
Good dog.
Thank you. Oh, sorry, Jay.
I love it,
Was
brother.
you?
I love it.
Oh,
There you go, J-Dash. Thank you, J-Dash.
we got a
J-Dash, dude.
Thank you. Oh, Howard.
Oh, you the man, bro. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. Nice, Bob.
So did you?
Nice, nice.
You did my advantage.
Oh, the Lord.
Oh, thank you.
The work is killing me.
Ouch.
Oh. To the left, to the left.
Hadouken! Hadouken! Samuel. Get me out there, you freaking Ken. J-Dash, watch middle.
Oh, on the right.
Yeah.
No, he's finished throwing my grenade.
Hey, lady, one for you and your buddy, maybe.
Oh, protection.
Tony, get in here.
Oh,
What
now
up,
I
Tony?
am. Now I do.
Tony, there he is, up top wall. Molly there. You got him. Samuel!
Oh, no.
Howard! Dirty
When I
dog.
miss side piece, I miss every shot.
No,
Oh,
Tony.
that's crazy. Woo, watch over there.
Guys, let me come to
J-Dash,
an
I see you.
agreement.
Samuel.
They ain't gonna listen to you, man. They're not
Oh,
gonna
I
listen.
like it. Protection. Fine. You know I like the ball protection.
I hate it.
What?
Tony!
Hello.
Yeah.
They're grenading.
Okay, Lord. Oh, you know it's right.
And I'm in my
Oh, Samuel. Dog. Hey, Nate over there saying,
No. Okay.
you know that's right. Ah, Tony, that was clean.
Second one coming.
Top wall, you got. Oh, nice. Top left.
No, not the.
Top left, we got him. Tony, watch that. Ah, you dog. You got Howard there. Thank you, J-Dash.
That hurt. I fell.
We got us a game, folks. You gotta love this. Nice. Hey, you got Bob Molly and another two. Back
Come
right.
on.
Another
no.
one. Watching J-Dash.
got
I
me.
seen it. We got Ken. There's Molly. Okay, put it on the right. You know the definition of
Take
a
my
big
grenade,
cat?
please.
Definition of a what?
Definition of a big cat.
Thank you, Howard.
Nice. They,
Take my grenade, please, Sam.
there's
Oh,
only
too
4
far.
in nature. There's only 4
Yeah.
in nature.
No, there's 5.
No, there's not. No, there's not. Samuel.
Only what?
There's 5
Big
big cats.
cats. There's only a definitionally 4 big cats in what all of nature.
Isn't there 5? I swear to God, there's 5.
Okay, name them. I got my. You got
You
your
have the
fifth?
lion,
Well, of course you got lions.
Ow.
tiger.
Tiger, you right. Left. Molly's your
Mountain lion.
No.
yeah, mountain lion.
I just looked it up.
No,
No,
that time. Dog.
I know cheetahs aren't at
They're as big as a dog.
Cheetahs are not correct.
Yeah,
They're
cheetahs
big, but
aren't.
they're not considered.
because they have roar.
Because they purr. They purr.
But they can't roar. Something about their the hyoid and
Yeah. If they purr, they're not definitionally big cats.
No, they can't roar.
I love cats, though. I love
Lions
little
can purr.
cats. I love cats. Apex
Take
Predators.
that grenade,
I'm
please.
sorry, Molly, but
Yeah.
pets are not mine.
The shotgun.
Nah, come on, Molly.
Killer
Molly
Bob,
knows.
you're gonna blow up.
Apex Predators.
But Molly's no good.
They call him
You're
Molly
blow
because
up.
he mollywops
Killer
a
Bob.
sucker. That's what he does.
Oh no!
These grenades, please. Come on, offense. Take my grenade.
I got him.
No.
Oh, they're all middle. Nice, Bob.
Yeah, you're throwing grenades. I have promised
no,
you. When
it's
you
right.
use grenades, I shoot you.
Take that. Hey, Killer Bob.
When you use grenades, I shoot you. When you're not
I'll
gonna
make sure
use
you don't.
grenades,
Killer Bob.
Nice. Ken's right. Back right. Who we got? Tough.
Oh no!
You and Steve. I see you. I'm just gonna follow you two.
30 seconds
Stay
remaining.
safe. Oh no. You got one far right there. Steve right there, Steve. There's two. We got him.
No!
Mag time.
Sorry.
Oh, don't tell nobody. 4 seconds. 3, 2.
I missed him. You missed him.
I broke my toe.
10, 9,
Oh, that's tough. Don't make your toe.
7, 6,
J-Dash around that wall. You got one.
Oh,
You
that
got,
bullets.
you got one. Watch it. Mag him.
1.
Nice, man.
Offense wins.
We got mollywopped. Hey, we got
Close
one.
game, guys. Close game. Yeah, very
That was
close
no
game.
close game.
And look how
No, not
unbalanced
again the
it is.
same hand.
That's what
Come
I'm
on,
Hey,
guys.
run the teams
Let's
back.
do black mage. Let's do
A black mage. I'm